Hello everyone and welcome to my free email funnel generator demo. Create high converting funnels in minutes. You're on my site right here. This is called instantsalesfunnels.com. A link to this free tool is going to be directly below in the video description box. Feel free to use it. Test out this tool. It's awesome for creating affiliate emails in literally minutes. And you can take these emails, throw them in your email autoresponder sequence, and make money with these emails. And they're specifically geared towards affiliates, but anybody can use these. If you got a business, any kind of company, you can use this tool as well, and it's going to save you a lot of time and energy using this tool. So let me get started, show you how to use it, how easy it is, and then I'll let you come on over and check this out for yourself. So for step one, you got here, I got a 7-day email funnel and headline generator I'm giving away free. If you're interested in that, links on the top of my blog here. So just click that, and I'm going to send it directly to you. There's also a bunch of cool freebies I'm giving away as well. It's really a great tool, so take advantage of it. And this is you don't have to put your email in to use this tool though. So keep that in mind. So what you're going to do is go to step 2, enter your affiliate program details, click to generate, and watch your output appear below. So what this does, I noticed, being an affiliate since like 2008, I've been doing this for going on, 15, 20 years now. I always notice, I like to create my own email. Sometimes you're in a pinch. And with it's the age of AI right now. AI is getting better and better, and they can create emails a lot better than I can. So why not use it to your full advantage? So what I did is I created an excellent prompt. It took me forever to put together, and I created this tool specifically geared towards affiliate marketers where you can put any affiliate product in here. This thing, any product that you happen to want to promote, you want to create emails for it, come on over, use this tool, enter like a few details. You can enter your product name and the details of the product. Be brief about it. You're going to enter your affiliate link, and then you're going to enter your email goal, and it's going to create your email for you. Just copy and paste it and throw it in your, broadcast it to your email list, or put it in your email follow-up sequence. So when you generate leads, all these emails go out to your leads, bringing in sales for you when you're not, even when you sleep. So on autopilot, basically. So what you're going to do here is, I found a product on ClickBank I'm going to use for this demonstration. It's called actually JavaBurn. We're going to use that one. So we're going to go to JavaBurn is a weight loss product inside ClickBank. And I showed this is my affiliate link for it. I already put my affiliate nickname in. And then that's a seller nickname. What we're going to do is copy the affiliate link. And we're going to go over to my tool over at instantsalesfunnels.com. And we're going to put my affiliate link in the second one here. We're going to put the product name and details. And I created a little, as you can see right here, using ChatGPT. You don't have to just put anything. It tells you product details right here. It's a little long. My email goal, perfect right there. We're going to copy that to educate potential customers about the benefits of JavaBurn, build trust, and encourage them to make a purchase through your affiliate link. That's exactly what we want to do as affiliate marketers, and that's what this tool is going to do for us. So we're going to put that in the email goal. Actually, product name and details, we're going to put it in there. And the email goal, we're just going to put to drive clicks and conversions. Now it already built. This tool is already done. It already built a headline for you, and it put together an email for you. And you can see right here, the secret to effortless weight loss: discover JavaBurn today. The headline. That's why I got That's why I grab this 7-day email funnel and headline generator. It's going to create professional headlines that are going to get open. So here's the email. Dear friend, let me share a little story with you. Picture this: a cozy kitchen on a chilly morning. The aroma of freshly brewed coffee wafting through the air. Meet Sarah, a busy mom of two who once struggled with her weight. Every day felt like an uphill battle against stubborn fat, and she was exhausted from trying every fad diet under the sun. Sound familiar? One fateful morning, while scrolling through her favorite health blog, she stumbled upon a captivating article about a revolutionary product called Java Burn. Intrigued, she read on. What if this could be the missing piece in her weight loss journey? Java Burn is not just another supplement. It's a unique coffee additive that transforms your morning brew into a powerful, fat-burning elixir. It's scientifically formulated to boost your metabolism, burn fat, and increase energy levels, all without sacrificing the joy of your daily coffee ritual. Sarah was skeptical, but she was also desperate for change. She decided to take the plunge and order Java Burn through this link. And then there's your affiliate link you place right here. Within weeks, she noticed a remarkable difference. Her energy soared, her cravings diminished, and most importantly, the scale began to tip in her favor. Sarah's confidence blossomed, and she felt like a new woman. But here's the kicker. Java Burn is backed by science and crafted with natural ingredients, ensuring you're fueling your body with only the best. It's gluten-free, non-GMO, and contains no artificial fillers. This isn't just a quick fix, it's a lifestyle change that works. Now I know what you might be thinking. Can this really work for me? The answer is yes. Thousands of satisfied customers have experienced the transformative power of Java Burn, and you could be next. So why wait? Join Sarah and countless others who have discovered the secret to effortless weight loss. Click here to start your journey with Java Burn today, and then there's your affiliate link as well. Trust me, your future self will thank you to your health and happiness and your name. So tell me how good of an email I just created for you in seconds. So all you got to do, if you're promoting, you can, like I said, you can use this for any affiliate product or any product in general, but this is mostly geared towards affiliates. What you want to do is just copy it, copy the email. You're good to go. You go over here, and if you're using GetResponse, if you're using Aweber or ClickFunnels, whatever you may be using, go over there and paste it in your autoresponder, or your broadcast it out to your list as a one-time email, whatever you want to do. But this tool is going to save you a lot of time and energy, and it's free, so you can't beat it. It's not going to cost you a thing, and it's going to save you a lot of time, energy, and make you money. Because this is a great story. I couldn't write this. I mean, this is really good. And it's going to keep your people on your email list that are into, health stuff. As an example for this particular email, it's going to keep them engaged. It's going to keep them reading. And people like stories. So that's what this prompt does. It creates story-like emails that keep your readers engaged. And it gets the click, and ultimately, it's the sales page's job after that to drive the conversion. So this is a great tool. Stop on over and use it. I'm going to leave the link below to instantsalesfunnels.com and directly below in the video description box. And don't forget to, if you want the power to create a 7-day email sequence in seconds, come on over here and grab this. You're going to get a free 7-day high-converting email funnel generator used by top affiliates to drive sales in any niche. You're going to get the 7-day email funnel prompt and headline generator that helps you create powerful emails that don't just land in inboxes. They drive conversions, engage your audience, and boost affiliate sales. I'm also going to give you guys a link to... I'm creating a bunch of 7-day emails for a bunch of different affiliate products that lack these tools. So I'm also going to send you a link to my full list of done for you emails that I've already created, and it's going to just keep going as time goes on, but you're going to get that too. So just let me know where to send it, and you can get all this for free. So, but that's that. This is my free tool here. Come on over, try it out. Let me know what you think. If you find it useful, let me know. If you think I should add something to it, let me know that. Just give me your comments in the comment sections below. And I want to thank you for watching this video. Hit the thumbs up button. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for future video updates. Thanks for watching, and have a great day. Bye-bye.